The first step to painting stripes on a wall is laying them out properly. Measure the width of the wall and choose a stripe width and spacing that can be evenly divided into the wall width. For example, there are 120 inches in a 10-foot wall, so a 10-inch stripe with 10-inch spacing gives you 6 stripes in 6 spaces. From the layout marks, use a level to extend the line vertically along the wall rather than making multiple measurements from adjacent walls, floors, or ceilings. Those surfaces often have variations in them that will cause your lines to waver back and forth. Now, once the lines are marked with pencil, you can apply your painter's tape along them. Leave the pencil mark visible on the side where paint will be applied so it is covered by the paint. Then use a putty knife to burnish or press down the edge of the tape to ensure a good seal. Now you're ready for paint. You can use a brush or a roller, but be careful not to pile on the paint to prevent the paint from seeping under the tape. The tape will perform better if you apply the paint over it lightly without puddles or drips. Now, once the paint is applied, carefully remove the tape before the paint dries. This will prevent chipping and produce a much cleaner line. It's also important to pull the tape backwards at 180 degrees to the direction it is running as close to the wall as possible. This will help ensure a cleaner line and a better overall result.